Hi, my name is Brian Hanson. I'm with Charleston Homes. I'm an assistant warranty manager on the south side of Omaha. Today I'm here to talk to you about GFCI outlets, ground fault circuit interrupters. Basically, what this device is, it protects us from receiving electrical shocks from a fault in the electrical devices in our houses. Those devices could be refrigerators, appliances, blenders, whatever. But essentially, these are installed to help, minimize the amount of electric shock that can be, given to a human. The way that they work, essentially, they compare the current on the input side of the outlet to the output current on the neutral side. If by chance you have a faulty blender or anything like that, and it's this outlet detects an arc, it's basically going to trip the power to it, so that way you don't risk being shocked. These outlets, we're going to find them in our houses anywhere in the vicinity of moisture. So your kitchens, your bathrooms, your basements, any concrete floor, exterior side of the house. In our houses, we would just want to remind you that all of your bathrooms are going to be tied to the GFCI in the master bathroom. All of your exterior outlets are going to be tied to that standalone outlet in your utility room. Also, you're going to have them at your sump pump connections, wherever your sump pumps plug in at. There's going to be a GFCI outlet on that. So, always remember to where they're at and to check them and stuff like that. That way you don't have any issues moving forward. These are required by the National Building Code, so, we try to, we follow their specs as to where they go. Like I had mentioned, they require them in bathrooms, garages, kitchens, laundry rooms, anywhere where there's moisture, where there can be some moisture detected. Thank you for following along on our blogs. We hope this provided you a little bit of information as to where to find these GFCI outlets and kind of what the purpose of them is. Have a good day.